good, isn't it? Yeah.
Very hungry. Got any strychnine?
That's all right. We've got it.
Fine. No, I think I might go to the pub.
You've only just got here. Stay for a bit. This is all right.
Oh, and that's supposed to be something to look forward to.
Well, I thought you liked this.
I used to. She done for me lately.
It's all about you, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. And some people actually want to be with me. Nobody wants me here.
That is not true.
Yes, it is true. Look at her. She's a star attraction.
Well, you begrudge her a bit of life on Christmas Day.
Yeah, I just don't have to stand here and watch Steve and his latest thing. Amazon Doctor. How long are we going to stay?
Well, I'm just going.
Yeah, but I'm stuck with the old man.
And I'm playing with my daughter. It's the only chance I get.
Is this your way of punishing me?
Me punishing you? It feels more like you punishing me.
I was trying to do something nice.
You knew we were coming here. It was all arranged. Though I don't get to see you very often. I'm not trying.